Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a very unique car. It's a 1931 Buick 50 Series sedan that's actually been converted into a convertible. Pretty cool. I got Jim here, the owner, did all the work to this car. He's been doing it for a million years, huh Jim?
Yeah.
How many do you think you've done? About 500?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It's a straight 8 manual transmission. And so what happened with this? How did it become a convertible?
Well, it had a bad storm upstate New York, and a tree fell on it and destroyed the top. It was no saving it. So I had done one many years ago. I did a Cadillac. So I said, well, I'm going to do it with this one. And we did everything on the car. And it's all original. All the brake lines, all the wiring's new. It just needs a few little things. You know, the bumper should be replated.
Yeah,
but, you know,
a little pitted, but they're fine.
On the car,
yeah.
You know? The interior is new. New windshield. Safety glass. I want safety glass in it.
Oh, sure, yeah.
We replace that. And all it needs is someone to fabricate the top irons, but they're not cheap. That's
yeah, I
why
can imagine.
I didn't do it.
How many people take it to a show and leave the top up, or you know, go to a show on a day that's going to rain anyway?
Yeah.
You know, I'd leave it alone as a fair weather car.
Yeah, exactly.
So it used to look like that then.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And that's just a 32.
Well, that has side mounts. This had a rear mount.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's a year newer and a lot more options, it looks like.
Yeah.
But pretty cool. I mean, fantastic. I love it.
Yeah. It's a nice car.
So it's finished in like a pea green. Wood wheels. A lot of original parts on this car. The wiring, the exhaust, the brake lines, all that's brand new.
Yeah.
Rear mount spare tire. What made you go with the interior color? That's very unique.
Well, when I bought the slip covers, I talked to the gentleman that sold them, and I told him I wanted something that matched the color of the car.
Yeah.
And that's what he had, and I thought it looked appropriate.
It does. It really.
And I did the interior myself, door panels, carpets, and everything.
Love it. It like complements the car beautifully. Makes you want to go on a picnic. Drives real nice, starts right up. Did you shorten the column on this one too?
Yeah.
He shortens the columns by about 3 inches or so just to give you more room inside. Especially if you got a little belly. Clears the beer belly, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Man, this interior is cool. It's almost like a vinyl.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, cool. Simulated kind of leather door panels.
That's vinyl. Yeah, vinyl door panels.
Yeah. Turn it on, you just flip the switch. There's a button on the floor there. Just hit it. Yeah, it runs nice, man.
Yeah. I mean, this one really needs to be adjusted to cover a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah. Yes. It should run smoother than the other one.
I like how you did the wood grain on the dash too. Very cool.
Yeah, that's
simulated like vinyl.
contact.
Ah,
Yeah, it looks like wood though.
pretty cool. And the spotlight works?
Yeah.
Look at that. You
Yeah,
turn
There's a switch for rub wired it in somewhere.
oh, right here maybe?
I'm not sure.
There it is.
That was it.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
But it's a 12-volt bulb and a 6-volt thing.
So it's a little
That's why
dim,
it's
just for
not
show,
bright.
yeah.
Yeah.
Runs nice, man.
Yeah.
These straight 8 motors are like,
Same one.
right?
Yeah.
For years. So it's a little bit of an amateurish paint job. You know, Jim did it in his garage. Not like it was taken to a big body shop and done, but it's very presentable. I love how you detail the motor compartment. Really nice. And all these parts are available new too, right?
Absolutely.
We did the gaskets around here and everything. New valve cover gasket. Thumb screws up top. Points the condenser, and it's still 6-volt, right?
Yeah.
All new wires front to back.
These are the original style of wires, too.
You get the catalog that goes with it. Brand new 6-volt battery. Very cool. That's nice, huh? You got glass packs on it? It's the original muffler? Get out of here.
We had patches out of hole.
Yeah.
Don't sound too bad.
Sounds real nice. Yeah, not bad for an old car, huh? Very neat.
See the difference on the belt line?
Yep.
I did this. On the other one, that's original.
The black is original.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
It's lacquer.
Done in lacquer.
Imagine.
In black, especially.
Yeah, I know.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And thanks again for joining us. Thanks again for showing us your car, Jim. It's awesome.
Yeah, my pleasure.